Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Show Emoji-Switch key in Google Keyboard. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application and find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Now, locate the Preferences option and tap on it. Unfortunately, the Show Emoji-Switch key is turned off by default. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Show Emoji-Switch key option to turn it on instantly. This will show a dedicated key to access emojis. Keep in mind, when this option is turned on, the language switch key won't be shown. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.